And what do we have here? What is that? Chondro. We've got some nice painting and
Hey Martha.
How you doing, Shay?
I'm doing great.
What you doing?
I'm painting.
Yeah.
I'm painting at Golden Sign Gallery.
Fine art, you betcha.
Indeed. Making some dots.
We got Mr. Pooh.
Dragonfly. Bringing some detail in here and continue with the colored layers of dots.
Liking it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Having some fun.
Painting in the window. In the open doors. Inside. Look at that. Got your own sign. Oops, get out of the way. Sheriff Chondro in residency right there. Coming in closer. Get a little hankering of a look. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
What can you see through there, Martha?
You
see anything good?
I do. Dots. You are the dot queen, aren't you? Pointillism?
I love my dots. Pointillism. That's it. People think of pointillism, pointillism is with color, and stippling is when it's done with black and white.
Look at that hand. Nice.
It's a big old hand.
No, it's a painting hand. And, speaking of painting, the magic paint box.
Ooh,
look at that.
I love my paint box.
Look at all that. Every color in the rainbow, above it, around it, below it, and through it. Yeah.
Exactly. And every composition rises right out of this color palette. That excites me.
It's like little soldiers in a row, colorful.
They all look different, yet they all come out. And every section of each painting has about half of the colors in it. So,
wow.
I'll talk about that one day.
I hope you do talk about that one day. In process. Paintings in process. And that's Dragonfly. Lovely.